Welcome to our channel. We're Marcus and Patrizia, and in 2023 we decided to take time off to travel full-time for 3 months. From the bustling streets of Asia to the vibrant landscapes of South America, join us on this incredible journey as we discover the world and capture these moments to share with you. As our passion for travel continues, you will always find us somewhere on the map. Today we're starting the day off at the White Temple. Got the tickets ready.
It's not only just a religious site and temple, but also one of Thailand's most famous artists decided they wanted to make this the equivalent of Thailand's like Taj Mahal or Eiffel Tower or Angkor Wat, and they're still actually working on this apparently. But what it is sort of like a mix of modern and ancient design. On the outside it's all white. I believe it's supposed to represent the kindness of Buddha, and there's also little details of like a mirror being used or reflection, and that's supposed to represent the reflection of kindness. What's interesting is when you enter, first you have to go through hell and then through the demon's mouth, and then slowly it's almost like a little adventure that we're gonna go through.
Yeah, not sure if we're allowed to take pictures inside, but we can definitely from the outside. Yeah. Thank you. Absolutely stunning here. Everything is white. We're on the bridge. Honestly, wow.
We've just come outside from being inside the temple where no photos or videos are allowed. Insane. The artwork is really something different. I'd almost describe it as pop culture mixed with teachings of Buddha and Buddhism and all the philosophies. Like there'll be characters that you know from pop culture like a Batman, Spider-Man, but they're not just there randomly. They're all representing some image of how humans might be doing something wrong and what the consequences are, or at least it seems that way. But it's insane, like all the way to the ceiling there's art, and I really like the colour scheme they use too.
Very impressive art actually. The art has been made by, I'll pop his name somewhere here if I find out, but we were told, I just don't remember now, by a famous Thai artist. He came here and he did all the paintings, and they're definitely very impressive.
It's worth
recommend seeing it, definitely.
So for instance here you've got Captain America, Jack Sparrow from Pirates of the Caribbean, the Terminator, Deadpool. Like this is probably the sort of pop culture that's been intertwined with the Buddhist philosophy.
Right now we're at the Blue Temple. Here we're allowed to actually take photos and videos, and it's a really cool place.
Yeah, it's also got some cool background on it. So just like the White Temple that we saw, the person who designed this Blue Temple had, well, we understand he had some inspiration and ideas from the White Temple. So this is like a 20-minute drive away. It's really beautiful.
Again, the
very
art
mystic.
is beautiful.
So now we are at the Karen village. There's actually quite a lot of interesting history behind it all. I understand that they don't hold any nationality, so they've got the same legal status as a refugee would. Right here is where they all live, and I think the homes are all handmade. Is that what the tour guide said? All with bamboo. And yeah, it's just very nice, chilled area. It's very interesting to see.
What a cool experience. They're so chilled actually. A lot of the stuff online says it's very like tourist trappy, but honestly it didn't feel like it. Yes, they have the store set up, but no one's like trying to hassle you in or anything like that. They're so nice, smiley, and so chilled. So it's a nice experience.
But yeah, apparently the reason they wear these rings is, well, the way the rings work is that they actually push down the collarbone, making it appear like the neck is longer. So that was an interesting thing to learn about it.
Yeah, apparently a human cannot elongate the neck. You can only push down your shoulders to make it appear longer. Very cool. Right now we're in the Golden Triangle. Golden Triangle is where the three borders meet of Thailand, Myanmar or Burma, and Laos. So I'm standing in Thailand. Right here behind me is Myanmar. That strip of land where the grass is literally Myanmar across the river. And then on the other side of the land is Laos. Sometimes some tours let you cross into Laos. You just need like a visa on your passport and you can go in like for 30 minutes to an hour, but the tour we're doing doesn't have that, which would have been really cool. But we are going to go on a boat soon. And then Myanmar has a conflict right now. No one's really allowed in there, but yeah. And then there's a strip of land that they call the nomads, and apparently that's where they grow opium for gangsters. So yeah, very interesting. So today is our last day here in Chiang Mai, Thailand, and we decided to do the one and only thing that we've been putting off till our last day, is trying some bugs. Now we're gonna head to the Chiang Mai night bazaar, and we saw some there, so I think it'll be pretty safe there because it's like an established place where there's a lot of food stalls. So yeah, are you excited to try bugs?
Definitely.
See you guys at the market. Okay, we're here at the stand. We're getting some, but no, some seasoning on like.
You get a lot of bugs as well.
Yeah, it's a minimum we have to buy, 60 baht or like a handful of them. Okay, I got the bugs. It was a mix, and I'm not going to start off with the big ones. The little one. My hands are shaking. Okay, ready?
Bon appetit. Maybe you've got one little dish sorted for tonight.
I wasn't expecting it to like fall apart so much. There's so many bits in my mouth just from that little one. I can't imagine what the big ones are like. Is it cricket? Will I try it?
Go on.
Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Okay, they're not bad at all. They all taste pretty much the same.
Same seasoning.
Do you want to try some?
Let's do it. So it's my turn to try it. I'll just go to a big one straight away, right? Go big or go home. You can just smell the seasoning. There we go. Flavor's like maybe a little bit like old bread. So like, it's not necessarily bad. It's like a dry flavor.
Yeah, super dry.
And now we're going to try the silkworm. This is the one that Dritty is looking the least forward to, so I'll try it first.
I'm not sure I can try that one.
There is a little explosion when you bite it.
I'm not doing that.
I'm sure it's full of protein.
Oh my goodness.
Maybe like a livery pate taste at best. I think I prefer the grass one.